What's up, Jessica? I Today we are making DIY sanitizer. It's a hard time right now with my baby sister. These are things that you could use. And we are not playing with chemicals ourselves. Our mom is in the back watching us. Let's get started.
Okay, so you need alcohol, aloe vera gel. Those are basic item right there. And our alcohol is 70%. If you can get it stronger, 90% is even better. You can also use some witch hazel mixed in also. And for moisturizing, like if you get dry skin like us, sometimes our hands get itchy because we have eczema, you could put some olive oil or vitamin E. And if you like to have a good scent, you can also add lavender oil or some kind of essential oil to make your hand sanitizer smell good. Oh, but we're going to be using lemon juice for our hand sanitizer scent.
Oh.
Just a few drops will do. Okay, let's get started.
First, no.
Uh-oh, it's a battle.
The jar is out.
It's okay. We're filling up the jar halfway with aloe vera gel. And next, you're going to add
How much?
about halfway. Yes, okay. Oh, Laura wants to add a drop.
And
That's great, but Laura, you added a few drops of witch hazel.
And then we add all of this.
And then stop. That's all. Don't want to get too much. And then let's add. Wait, we're gonna have to stir it. Let's add just a few drops of olive oil to make it moisturizing for our hand. 1, 2, and then. Sorry, do you want to go get a lemon?
I got a little lemon.
Add a squirt of lemon. That's perfect. Now we have to stir it.
Here.
Pull her open. We have to stir.
Now we stir.
We have to stir because it seems too watery because the gel is at the bottom. And this is also good. You don't need to have a jar. You could put this in a squirt bottle. It's the spray-on hand sanitizer. And then you can shake the bottle before you use it. Because sometimes the essential oil that you might add, you can see how some of the droplets may float to the top. So if you had a spray bottle, this is even better because you shake it before you spray it. Let's see what it smells. Ready? Oh, that's some strong sanitizer.
It's not that one.
Yeah, that's some strong hand sanitizer. You can make a big gallon of this. Use a plastic container that can fit a lot of this, and then you can also soak some paper towels in there to make sanitizer wipes. If you ever get uncertain about how much to use, you just use half alcohol.
I'm gonna use.
At the very least, use half your alcohol and half aloe. You're definitely going to be killing some germs. And some recipes say to only add a little aloe and a lot more alcohol, but this is great too.
And I'm using some of it.
Okay, are you sanitizing your hand?
Yeah.
Does it feel like it's burning?
No.
That's good. Some sanitizers burn your hands when you put them on, right?
Mm-hmm. Not bad.
Okay, now it's for Laura. She wants to stir. She loves to stir.
Smell.
It smells bad. The lemon juice actually did not do anything. You will need essential oil. Yes, the lemon juice did not cover the strong scent of the alcohol at all. It's best to use some kind of essential oil. Right now, it's more important to kill the germs and not have a pleasant scent of your sanitizer.
Thanks for watching. Bye. Bye.